Mass vaccination sites across the U.S. have announced plans to shut down in recent days due to insufficient demand, even though all U.S. adults are now eligible to receive coronavirus vaccines, 3.02 million. That's the 7-day average of COVID-19 vaccines administered in the U.S. each day as of Wednesday, according to Centers for Disease Control and Prevention data analyzed by The New York Times. That average has been steadily declining in recent days after peaking at approximately 3.3 million shots per day last week. Even as a number of sites are shuttering, other areas are opening new locations. New mass vaccination locations are opening this week in such places as Tysons Corner, Virginia, Lake County, Illinois, Harford County, Maryland, Jefferson County, Alabama and New York City, where New Yorkers will soon be able to get vaccinated at the iconic American Museum of Natural History. More than half of U.S. adults have now received at least one dose of a COVID-19 vaccine as the country has ramped up vaccinations and seen an influx in supply in recent weeks, and every state has now opened eligibility to all adults after President Joe Biden directed states to expand access by April 19. The new decline in demand comes as the U.S. nears the point at which vaccine supply will outstrip demand, with a Kaiser Family Foundation (KFF) analysis released Tuesday projecting that all U.S. adults who want to be vaccinated will receive at least their first dose of the vaccine within the next 2 to 4 weeks. With that milestone looming, attention is turning to Americans who are still hesitant or unwilling to get vaccinated, a sizable share of the population, with KFF finding that as of March, 37% of Americans plan to either wait and see about the vaccine, would only get it if required, or do not plan to get vaccinated at all. The White House and state officials are ramping up efforts to persuade unvaccinated Americans as a result, and Biden announced Wednesday a plan to give tax breaks to businesses that give their employees paid time off for getting vaccinated. U.S. hits Biden's 200 million shots goal, but COVID-19 vaccine hesitancy issue looms. Forbes, all U.S. adults now eligible for COVID-19 vaccine. These states are doing the best and worst rollouts. Forbes, COVID-19 vaccine demand is slowing in parts of the U.S. Now an uphill battle starts to get more shots into arms. CNN, White House offers new tax credit to help spur vaccinations. Associated Press, full coverage and live updates on the coronavirus.